Tesla claims to have 2 Optimus humanoid robots operating autonomously in a factory, which would be a first. If there is one positive aspect to the current compensation package debacle, it appears that Tesla has a public relations department again. Sure, its goal d'etre is nearly solely to recoup Elon Musk's $55 billion compensation deal, but at the very least, they are disclosing more information about Tesla in the process. Tesla has sent out more messages than ever in recent months, and they're nearly exclusively in the style of Elon is the greatest CEO of all time, and Tesla would have done very little without him. In its most recent tweet, Tesla's official account offered a recap of the company's successes under Elon Musk's leadership since 2018, when the pay package was authorized by shareholders but then revoked by a judge when it was discovered that Tesla's board deceived investors. Tesla has recently released a lot of information and footage concerning Optimus, but according to the most recent report, the business is still teaching the bots with virtual reality and remote control. They would execute valuable functions in a lab setting, but with human inputs, much like a puppet. However, Tesla now says that the robots can operate independently in a plant, which is a significant step forward. The manufacturer had stated that this was the objective before the end of the year. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, also recently stated that the Tesla Optimus might go on sale as early as next year. Musk earlier stated that Optimus will cost less than half of a car or around $25,000. Humanoid designs are complex since even getting a robot to walk while carrying a weight may be tough. The reward, however, is a general-purpose robot capable of theoretically doing a wide range of physical tasks usually performed by people, such as quality inspections, seat belt testing, and emblem installation. If firms like Tesla succeed, future factories might be totally automated, lowering manufacturing costs while displacing even more human workers.